Are you reading closely and looking? Let's start by reading the question. Circle the question mark and go to the beginning of the sentence. It says, which of the following does not represent Stephen's Twix? Let's cross out the R and cross out the U because we already underlined. Now let's read the details. It says, Stephen has 7 packs of Twix. Each pack of Twix has 2 pieces of candy. Let's circle some clues. So I know that this is about Stephen, and I know that Stephen has 7 packs of Twix. Twix are candies. They're chocolate pieces. Each pack of Twix has 2 pieces of candy. So I'm going to circle each pack because every pack has 2 pieces of candy inside. In the question, I can circle which of the following because I need to choose one of these. Does not represent. Circle not represent. That means does not show Stephen's Twix. But now we can cross out the L because we already labeled, and we can start our 3-step process off to the side. Doesn't have to be very big. Let's remember Mr. Esparza's first question, which is, what should I do first? The main idea. The main idea should be, which of the following does not show Stephen's Twix? So now I'm going to ask myself the next question, which is, what do I know? Well, I know this question is about Stephen. I know he had 7 packs of Twix, and I know that every pack had 2 pieces of candy inside. So how can I represent that in a strip diagram? I don't necessarily have to draw a strip diagram. I just need to draw a picture here. So I know that he has 7 packs of Twix. So let me just draw my 7 packs. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. And I know that inside of each pack, he needs to have 2 pieces of candy. So here's 2, 2, 2, or you can just put in 2 dots. It's hard to see. So there's 2 pieces of candy inside of every pack. Let's see what multiplication number sentence this shows. I see 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. That's 7 groups of 2 in each. So that's the multiplication number sentence, 7 groups of 2. So now I need to go through my answer choices and choose the one that does not show 7 groups of 2. So I can start by eliminating my answer choices. And let's go to answer choice A. Let's count the hops. This is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. That's 7 groups. Let's see what it's hopping by to see how many is inside of each group. So this is hopping by 2. That means that every time it's hopping, it's adding 2. And that means that inside of every group, there is 2. They're adding 2. That does show 7 groups of 2. So are we looking for 7 groups of 2? No, because it says not what Stephen has. So cross out A because A is incorrect. B's picture looks almost exactly the same as ours. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 groups, and there are 2 in each group. That does show 7 groups of 2, but we need one that does not show 7 groups of 2. B is incorrect. C has a strip diagram that looks like this. If we look at our action poster, C matches put together. So we need to put together 7 and 2. That shows 7 plus 2. 7 plus 2 is not the same thing as 7 groups of 2, 7 times 2. So could this maybe be the answer? Yes, because it's not 7 groups of 2. And D shows an array. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 groups with 2 in each group. That is 7 groups of 2. Are we looking for 7 groups of 2? No. So that's why D is not the right answer. Here, the original answer is C. But Mr. Esparza put in an extra answer choice at the very bottom of the sheet, just so that you could be exposed to this. He says 2 times 2 times 2 times 2 times 2 times 2. Is that the same thing as 7 times 2? No, because 7 times 2 looks like this. And that's not the same thing as 2 times 2, because we're using the same symbol. If you see something like this, and it does not show 7 groups of 2, then this is another answer that could also be right.